Good day, guys. My name is Thabo Mhlapo. Today's lesson is based on classification of living organisms. Classification of living organism. So today I'll just introduce the topic and give you the basics of this topic. Then on my next lesson I'll try to elaborate further. So if a person may ask you, what is classification? Then classification is a system of grouping living organisms. So you must all remember the characteristics of living organisms. So the first characteristic of living organism is the movement. All living things can move. All living things can reproduce. And all living things can respirate, whereby there's a gaseous exchange. We breathe in oxygen, then we release carbon dioxide. Respiration, and we must know that respiration occurs in an organelle called mitochondrion. So during respiration is whereby food is changed into ATP, which is the energy that is needed by humans. Then living things can excretion, whereby they remove waste from the body. Then irritability, then nutrition, and lastly nutrition. All living things require nutrition, and they require food so that they could get energy. Then I move on. There's this concept called the nomenclature. You are asking yourself, what is that? Nomenclature is a system that is used to name organisms. So basically classification and nomenclature go hand in hand. Do you know why I'm saying that? It is because they give you taxonomy. If a person may ask you, what is taxonomy? So in simple terms, taxonomy is a process of grouping and naming living organisms based on their shared characteristics. So what is taxonomy? Let me repeat it again. Is a process of grouping and naming living organisms based on their shared characteristics. So there's this hierarchy which we call the taxonomic hierarchy, whereby it helps us to know how to group organisms. Let me start by explaining binomial nomenclature. What is that? This is a scientific method of giving an organism a scientific name. A scientific name. So what you must know is that when you are using binomial nomenclature, you need to have two words. The first word is the genus. Then the second word is the species. For example, as humans, we fall under the genus Homo, and we are sapiens. We are more than humans, and we are called sapiens. So let me move to the hierarchy of taxonomy. Remember that taxonomy is a